Around the globe, MD&A is helping the gas turbine industry deliver efficient and reliable power. Through the integration of PW Power Systems of San Antonio, Texas, MD&A is now a leading provider of gas turbine components, repairs, and upgrades. MD&A's San Antonio Service Center provides repair services for large frame gas turbines. With proven expertise on frame 7EA, 6FA, 7FA, 9FA, V84 and V94 combustion and hot gas path components. It is also one of the premier facilities that performs repairs on single crystal parts. All of the repair processes, with the exception of acid stripping, are completed in-house, utilizing our 3-stage gate process to ensure the highest of standards. Each gate provides the client with an important checkpoint to review the project's progress with our engineers, a partnership that enhances quality and reduces repair time. The first step of MD&A's gate process is referred to as strip and inspect. When a component first arrives in San Antonio, we conduct an incoming inspection, tagging and cataloging each part. This stage includes airflow and dimensional inspection, then a fluorescent penetrant inspection or FPI, which uses black light technology to pinpoint any cracks. The ultrasonic inspection is a completely automated ultrasonic underwater test that provides 38 points of precise measurement. All of MD&A's crews are certified in their specific area of expertise. Gate 2 is the repair stage, with the goal of returning a part to its original state. This stage begins with a solution vacuum heat treatment process. MD&A utilizes the industry's most advanced welding techniques, including hotbox and hand blending, with individual welding booths assigned to each part. CNC machining delivers cuts that are precise and uniform every time. Unlike hand drilling, electro-discharge machining, or EDM, assures part conformity. Once repairs are completed, a report is compiled. Review of this report is another checkpoint opportunity for our experts and clients. The last stage of the gate process is the final inspection. Once a part has gone through another visual inspection, it is ready for coating. HVOF, or high-velocity oxygen fuel, is a base coat applied at the speed of sound. A proprietary 3-layer thermal barrier coating system, or TBC, is applied to high-technology components using our vertically cracked ultra-dense coating, or UDC system. Because MD&A's proprietary coatings can sustain the high temperatures that hot gas path components are subjected to, our coatings also extend the life of the components. Parts are then weighed during moment weigh and go through sequencing to balance the turbine perfectly. The final inspection includes a detailed review of the component report, ensuring each step was performed completely. An ISO-certified F-Class Repair Center of Excellence, our San Antonio Service Center is completely failure-free, a distinction that includes any non-catastrophic failures. MD&A is a full-service OEM alternative for gas turbine components and repairs. We deliver industry-leading solutions with processes and parts that are backed by guarantees. That's powered through experience.